Do you know that today some people in India are earning more money from Instagram Reels and YouTube videos than many engineers and doctors? And here's the secret. It's not just about making videos. It's about using influencer marketing and affiliate marketing the right way. In today's video, I will take you step by step through this powerful strategy with real examples and stories so you can understand how you can start making money using this system. So stay tuned till the end because I promise this can change the way you look at online income forever. Before that, if you want to watch this masterclass fully in order, kindly check out the podcast in the above cards. The first one we are gonna say is what is influencer and affiliate marketing. Imagine this. You are planning to buy a new phone, maybe the latest OnePlus or iPhone. What's the first thing you do? You should probably watch a review on YouTube from someone like Technical Guruji or Truckin Tech, right? Now what's happening here? You trust their opinion. That's called influencer marketing. And if you click their special link in the description to buy the phone, that's called affiliate marketing. The definition for this is influencer marketing is brands take creators with an audience to promote products, and the affiliate marketing is you earn a commission whenever someone buys using your unique link. So now we are gonna see why is this so powerful in India right now. During Diwali sales on Amazon and Flipkart, crores of Indians don't just buy randomly. They buy through recommendations from YouTubers, Instagram influencers and bloggers. In fact, Amazon India's affiliate program has thousands of Indian creators earning lakhs per month just by recommending products. And with India's digital growth, even micro influencer with just 10,000 followers can make money promoting products for local brands. That's the power of influencer and affiliate marketing. Now we're going to see types of influencers and affiliates. First one, mega influencer. Celebrities like Virat Kohli or Alia Bhatt, they have huge followers, so brands pay crores. Second one is macro influencers. YouTubers like Technical Guruji or Be Unique are called macro influencers. Brands pay lakhs per campaign because they have lot of followers but not more than mega influencers. Third one, micro influencers. Instagram food bloggers, fashion influencers with 10k to 50k followers. Brands send free products plus 10k 50k deals. Fourth one, nano influencers. Even your college brand with 2k to 5k followers reviewing local restaurants can influence decisions. Some affiliate examples are tech affiliates such that Amazon, Flipkart, Chroma. Finance affiliates such that Zerada or Grow. RedTech affiliates such as Byju's, Unacademy, Coursera. Now we are going to see how to start affiliate marketing. Let's say you are a student in Pune. You start a YouTube channel reviewing budget smartphones under 15,000. You join the Amazon Associate program and you put affiliate links in your video description. Every time someone buys that Redmi or Realme phone from your link, you earn 2 to 5% commission. Imagine during sales season, 1,000 people buying from your link, that would be 50,000 to 1 lakh in just a few days. Step you wanna follow is first one, choose your niche like tech, finance, fashion, fitness, etc. Choose a niche that you are interested in. Second one, join affiliate programs. There are so many affiliate programs in India. You can choose Amazon, Flipkart, Share Sale, Impact, or you can approach a local branch also. Third one, create content. Create attractive and elegant content such as blogs, YouTube, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, etc. Add affiliate links. And lastly, promote consistently your product through content. Now we are going to see how to start influencer marketing. Remember the brand Mama Earth? Today it's a household name, but it became famous largely through influencer marketing in India. They partnered with thousands of small Instagram and YouTube influencers in parenting and skincare niches. That's how they reached billions of Indian households. Steps you can follow to start influencer marketing is choose your niche that you are interested. Fitness, cooking, tech, etc. Second one, Pick your platform like Instagram, YouTube, blog, etc. Third one, post consistent, valuable content like fitness tips, cooking, tech reviews, etc. Fourth one, grow your audience with engagement. Collaborate with local or national brands. And lastly, negotiate deals, either free products, fixed pay or commission. Now you wanna see mistakes beginners make and how to avoid them. Promoting everything equal to audience loses best. Not disclosing affiliate links. This is important by law in India. Always say this link is affiliate. Buying fake followers. Brands can easily detect fake engagement. Copy pasting foreign content instead of focusing on Indian context. I know a friend in Delhi who started promoting random products just to make money. Within 3 months, his audience stopped trusting him. And even though his channel had 50k subscribers, his sales went down to zero. Trust me, authenticity is the real currency here. Now we are going to see some success stories in India. You see Arun Maini, who started a YouTube channel that called Mr. Who's the Boss. Started tech reviews, now one of the biggest affiliates worldwide. You can also see Beer Biceps that runs by Ranveer Alabatia, who builds audience first, now partners with top 10s and earns through affiliate links. You can also see more small influencers. Many Indian food bloggers earn 13,000 to 50,000 per month just from promoting Zomato, Swiggy and restaurant collabs. We can also do that by following these methods. So now you know how influencer and affiliate marketing works in India. From Bollywood stars earning course to college student making side income from Amazon links. If you are serious about starting, pick your niche today. Join one affiliate program and post your first piece of content this week, because the only difference between those who can earn and those who dream is action. Now, which niche do you want to start with? You can use tech, fashion, finance or fitness. Comment below. I will reply with my tips. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe and share it with your friend who wants to earn online. See you in the next video. Until signing off, Danush.